How are you? I hope you all are good and healthy. Today we read our chapter 1, the sentence. Let's start. It's chapter number 1, the sentence. So, what do you mean by sentence? Did you know what is sentence? Sentences are made up with words which are written in certain way. They called sentences. जो शब्द एक निश्चित क्रम में लिखे जाते हैं और वो मिलके क्या बनाते हैं हमारे सेंटेंस. Let's read. When we wish to convey a thought, we speak or let's start. When we wish to convey a thought, जब भी हम कोई विचार, कोई बात हम किसी को बोलना चाहते हैं या बताना चाहते हैं तो हम किसका साथ लेते हैं? सेंटेंसेस का. सेंटेंसेस की वजह से हम अपनी बात किसी और के सामने रख सकते हैं. We speak or write a group of words that are ordered in a certain way. जो हम बात बोलते हैं वो एक निश्चित क्रम में होती है यानी एक सीरीज में होती है. यदि हम इसका सर्टेन वे यानी सीरीज को हम खराब कर दे तो यह पर प्रॉपर पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस हमारा नहीं होगा बिकॉज वो अपने ऑर्डर में नहीं लिखा गया है. These ordered group of words are called sentences. A sentence make and express a complete sense. सेंटेंस क्या होता है? अपने एक निश्चित अर्थ को पर दिखाता है, प्रदर्शित करता है. एक निश्चित अर्थ ही होना चाहिए. So, a sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete sense or meaning. सेंटेंस क्या है? शब्दों का वो समूह है जो एक निश्चित अर्थ हमें देता है. A sentence must always begin with a capital letter. सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करने के लिए हमेशा किसका यूज करना चाहिए? कैपिटल लेटर का. The words in the sentence must be in certain order so as to make complete sentence. जो वर्ड्स की सीरीज है यानी जो क्रम है वह निश्चित होना चाहिए ताकि वह एक अर्थ वाला वाक्य हमें दे सके जिसे हम सेंटेंस कह सकते हैं. पंक्चुएशंस मार्क such as full stop, question mark or exclamatory mark must end a sentence. सेंटेंस के एंड होने के टाइम पे हमें या तो फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क या एक्सप्लेनेटरी मार्क का यूज करना चाहिए. तो सेंटेंस क्या है? सेंटेंस शब्दों का निश्चित समूह है जो हमें एक अर्थ दान करता है. सेंटेंस इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ words which are right in a certain way are called sentence. There is some examples. First one is, he is a good sportsman. We saw after sportsman using a full stop mark. Which is your favorite color? It's a questioner sentence. That's why we are using a question mark here. And last one is, how lovely the sunset is. कितना सुंदर है sunset. It is a exclamatory sentence. That's why we are using exclamatory mark in the last of sentence. So, there is 3 marks. First one is full stop, second is question mark, and third is exclamatory mark. Now we come on kinds of sentences. There are 5 kinds of sentences. First one is assertive sentence. Assertive sentences are divided into 2 parts. First one is affirmative and second one is negative sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence. Fourth is explanatory sentence. And fifth is objective sentence. An explanatory sentence express a statement to tell a fact. A statement always end with a full stop. किससे खत्म होता है? Full stop से. यह निश्चितता को दर्शाता है, यानी यह बिल्कुल फैक्ट हमें बताता है. Like this is my pen. तो यह निश्चित है कि यह मेरा ही पेन है. ये एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस का एग्जाम्पल है. These sentence tell something in a positive or negative manner. ये पॉजिटिव यानी सकारात्मक बात को बताएंगे या फिर नकारात्मक जिसमें नो का यूज हम करते हैं. पॉजिटिव और अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. एग्जाम्पल, the sunrise in the east. It is a affirmative sentence. Sweetie is my friend. So, affirmative sentence. The moon does not rise in the east. It is a negative sentence. Sheila is not my friend. So, it is also a negative sentence. We saw using not for negative sentence. And affirmative sentence has a simple sentences. B. In interrogative sentence asks a question. Interrogative sentence में question पूछे जाते हैं. A questions always ends with an interrogative mark like question mark. Example, who gave you that book? तुम्हें ये book किसने दी? At the end, we are using question mark. Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? सेंटेंस के खत्म होने के बाद में हमने किसका यूज किया? क्वेश्चन मार्क का. व्हाट इज योर नेम? आफ्टर द वर्ड नेम वी आर यूजिंग क्वेश्चन मार्क बिकॉज इट्स अ interrogative sentence. Then we could say we are using question mark in interrogative sentences. Third is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence express an order or request. यह आज्ञा को बताता है. Do it fast is an example of imperative sentence. An imperative sentence always ends with full stop. Only interrogative sentence ends with question mark. Otherwise, imperative and assertive sentence are stop with full stop, ends with full stop. Examples of imperative sentence. First is open the window. Come here, do your work. Please come here, tell me the truth. In these 5 sentences, we saw order. खिड़की खोल दो, यहाँ आओ, अपना काम करो, कृपया यहाँ आओ, मुझे सच बताओ. इन सभी में हमें क्या नजर आ रहा है? ऑर्डर. तो these are imperative sentences. Fourth one is exclamatory sentences. And exclamatory sentences express strong feelings. यह एक निश्चित भावों को दिखाता है. भाव कैसे? दुख, सुख, शाबाशी, घृणा, नफरत, हर्ष, शोक आदि को ये बताते हैं. And exclamatory sentence always end with exclamatory mark like this. For example, what a lovely garden it is. At the end, we are using exclamatory mark because showing a strong feeling. Second, what a beautiful girl she is. वाह क्या सुंदर लड़की है. After is, we are using exclamatory mark. How will she dance? How sweet the song is. What a good idea. These all are example of exclamatory sentences. Last one is A sentence that express a wish, prayers, boons, or is called a last is a sentence that express wish, prayers is called optative sentences. Each sentences being with may and ends with the mark of explanation. ये sentences दुआ आशीर्वाद को दिखाते हैं। इन जिनमें दुआएं और आशीर्वाद का पता चलता है वह optative sentence कहलाते हैं। For example, may God bless you, may you live long, may this dog bite you. So, our chapter has been completed. Now we come to exercise A. Read the following sentences and write their kinds. First one, she gave me a bunch of keys. It is a assertive sentence. Second, the glasses is standing. The classes is standing. Grammar. What are they studying? It is grammar. So it is also assertive sentence. He has lost all his wealth. Have you brought any apples? It is interrogative sentence. Is he the writer of this book? It is also interrogative sentence. Bring me your book. Imperative sentence. Bring me your book. It is a imperative sentence. Put it down. It is also imperative sentence. How beautiful the flower is. It is a exclamatory. What a strong man he is. It is also exclamatory sentence. Confess the truth. It is a assertive sentence. May your wish come true. It is a optative sentence. 12th, may God bless you with gold medal. It is also optative. Question B. Look at the picture given below. Frame 5 sentences of different kind based on the pictures. One has been done for you. For example, here is a picture of tiger. The tiger lives in a forest. It is a assertive sentence. I saw lotus in water. Does the tiger lives in a forest? Does you saw lotus in water? Then the wild tiger? Imperative. How fearsome this tiger is. How beautiful this lotus is. May God save you for the tiger. May God give me this lotus. So, our chapter has been completed. I hope you all are enjoying this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.